Hey guys, we're here with the OnePlus 7. We got a real quick hands-on with this phone for you before we get our full review out. Now, I gotta make a confession first. I'm actually an iPhone guy, so this is a little weird for me. But there are a bunch of things I really like about this phone so far. This is the Nebula color. The back is really striking. I really like what they've done with it. It's like a kind of matte glass finish. It feels really nice. And that sort of gradient color, the way it shines, is really cool. The phone is pretty much bezel-less, as you can see. It's got a bit of a chin at the bottom, but it hides the selfie camera. I'll bring it up for you now in the little pop-up module right there. It pops up really quickly and quietly. It seems quieter than most pop-up modules I've seen so far. And it's a neat little addition. The camera itself is really cool as well. It's got 3 different lenses. You can see them right here at the back. One is a telephoto lens, and one's a 3x zoom lens. Okay, it's not as impressive as the zoom on the Huawei P30 Pro, but it's still pretty good. We'll be giving the camera a full test a little later. Otherwise, other changes, I really like the haptic feedback. On old OnePlus phones, it had a little bit of a buzzy feel to it. It felt like one of those really cheap buzzers. This has a really nice little tap feeling, just like the iPhone and the Apple Watch, which, as an Apple fan, of course, I'm kind of biased towards, but I do think it feels better. I don't really like the curved screen though. I feel like the edge detection on this phone isn't very good. I find myself, just when I'm holding it, it feels like the phone's UI is reacting to me just holding it because, again, the edge detection isn't quite there yet. I think this is OnePlus's first curved screen phone, so maybe they got a little bit of time to work that out. I also wish it had wireless charging. I know that OnePlus Dash charging is really good, but wireless charging is also really convenient. There's no reason why you can't have both. The other feature on the phone is the in-screen fingerprint sensor. Now, that's been really inconsistent for me. Sometimes it works really quickly, like it did right there. That was really good and that was really quick. But a lot of the times I'm finding that it's really slow. It's just slowing down, it's taking a long time to unlock, and sometimes it doesn't recognize my fingerprint at all. I also don't really like how Android manufacturers put their screen protector on the screen already. It doesn't feel really smooth. The glass feels kind of sticky and it just feels a little odd. There's a little bit of friction when I'm swiping and scrolling through things, which, you know, it's glass. You want to feel smoothness. You don't want to feel plastic. Otherwise, though, it seems pretty good. We're really hopeful about what this phone will do. Don't worry, when we have our full review, our Android phone expert, Chris, will be putting it through its paces, so watch out for that review soon.